You ready, Papa? Alright. It's 4 a.m.
3:45 a.m.
Is it? Damn. Well, we're not about it.
No.
We're heading out. So there's going to be no alien whoop making tonight. Maybe some other whoop. I'm just kidding. I love you. What happened?
Put it on backwards.
Oh, in the dark too. Ah, shit. Well, that happens, and that's unfortunate, and we need to get that fixed ASAP. Check out our sick light. Plugnet, what are you doing? Exactly.
I like that.
You hear that traffic?
Yeah, Colorado. Woo.
And the car is just fine.
The car's great.
Another bike in Paris, suddenly flight in the UAE. I'm hiding behind my shadow. I'm gonna throw all this sorrow. Some of my friends are with me, some of my friends in another country. I'm in the maze of cities, I feel them all worrying me. I want to share this by day. Want to share this by day. Darling, it's alright. It's not.
Babe, how much was it?
$5.29.
A what? Damn. Alright. The desert.
Darling, it's alright. It's not. I can't.
Let's get in here, see? Oh, look at those. Look at those big sacks of meat. Yes. This is a Capper sponsored steak. No, I'm just kidding. We already had this at home.
Saved it for the occasion. I'm sunburnt. Check out both my sides.
Yeah, you're crispy.
And some grease just bounced onto me. Okay.
What's that? We're at a KOA because this is real camping and we needed Wi-Fi. So
You need charging. Your converter broke.
yeah, we needed Wi-Fi, charging, lots of things. Yeah, you know, Corolla is doing like amazing.
Oh yeah.
So Kiersey just cooked this. Yeah, that's how amazing she is. Yeah, what? Did you say steak and potatoes while we're camping? The realest camping in the world.
Alright, so here we are at a KOA. I'm dying. I'm so heat stroked. And we are working on quads, on getting the alien loop going, 3-inch going, and my 5-inch so that we can crossfire them. We are in Colorado right now, and we are headed for Kansas.